This is a Lexus 570 I bought overseas for 280,000 yuan, and I plan to flip it for 400,000 yuan. But the condition is not great. The engine started leaking oil and coolant right after break in the interior does not feel new, and the exterior needs serious work. If I want top money, it has to look and feel brand new. Whether anyone will actually buy it depends entirely on how well this restoration turns out. So let us strip it down and get started. I dismantled it, and it looks pretty new. The car's body is disassembled. The engine needs to be disassembled, but all the screws have stripped, and the intake manifold is also clogged. Disassembly completed. Clean the pot. After the engine has been polished and cleaned, it is ready to proceed to the meticulous assembly stage. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Finally assembled, let's give the main beam a quick dusting. Fine sanding of the paint surface. Full car paint job. Let's take a look. Start reinstalling. The renovation is almost finished. Let's take a look at the final result. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.